Normally each week has been crazy, but embrace that this week is going to be much lighter. There are more Fed speakers scheduled this week than there are economic news reports. But let me walk you through which days are going to be the most busy. Monday's pretty much going to be clean and relatively calm. We have speeches from Fed officials Tom Barkin and John Williams, which could offer some insight into future monetary policy from the Fed. Now on Tuesday, it's going to ramp up a little bit with consumer credit coming out in the afternoon, and that's going to give us some insight into some consumer financial health and spending habits of the population. Now Wednesday, we just have one report. We have wholesale inventories coming out right after market open, and then we have 3 Fed speakers buried across later that morning and into the afternoon. Thursday, we have the weekly jobless claims coming out in the morning before market open, and San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly speaking in the afternoon. Now, Friday to cap it off is still going to be a pretty light day. We just have consumer sentiment and a treasury statement coming out of 2 with a couple Fed speakers sprinkled in the middle. So in summary, this is actually a pretty nice week. Normally weeks are just kind of chock filled with a ton of reports, those kind of landmines and uncertain news events that are coming out, and just makes everyone kind of on edge, not really knowing how the market's going to react. Those are the types of events that economic news causes. So it's really nice to have a week with very minimal possible impact. I say that lightly, you never know. But I'm looking at this week from a risk averse standpoint, from the standpoint of how many possible news events or economic reports that could cause ripples in the market. The less of those, the better. And this is going to be one of those great weeks. Stop looking for the economic calendar. Let us deliver it to you. Go to tradercal.com. Simply put in your email address, no credit card required. Hit submit, get our calendar invite from the email we send you, confirm the calendar invite, and you're ready to rock. The U.S. economic calendar will now be on your personal calendar and your devices. Give it a try for 14 days, no credit card required up front.